Say hi. Say hi, YouTube. Hi. I just wanted to give you guys a raw look of what today looks like. We are actually working from home today, so we're taking care of Ellie. She's having lunch. I'm doing my day job. I'm going away on a work trip next week. That's real life. That's real life. Oh, you too embarrassed to cry on camera? So I have a work trip this week and it's my first one with the company. I'm leaving tonight, so Peter will be home with Ellie by himself all week, or at least until Thursday night, because that's when I come back. So we are feeding Ellie lunch, and I'm also trying to cook she wants to be on camera. I'm also trying to cook enough food for him so that he has for dinner at night for himself. We have a subscription to Little Spoons for Ellie, which helps him out with lunches and dinner for her, so he doesn't have to worry about it. Actually, I have a $20 off coupon that I can share with you guys if you guys are moms. I know many of you have children yourselves and you're trying to run a business. So I'll leave the code in my description box if you guys are interested in using that. Also, it's not sponsored or anything, but it gives you a coupon where if you share $20 off, I get $20 off also, so we can help each other out. So I'm trying to make a really big tray of lasagna so that I can leave it for him for this week and he can kind of have lasagna for every night while I'm gone. She's trying to look at the camera. So he can have lasagna for every single night that I'm gone. It's better than him having to order every single night. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're working from home. I packaged up the last of the orders. I updated the website to have a processing time of May 5th. That's when all shipments will go out once I get back. Yeah, super mom duties today and business owner duties. I did laundry, cooked, cleaned the house this weekend, and Mama's ready to go on her first trip. And I'm gonna miss Ellie. I'm gonna miss Ellie Belly. She's not paying attention because she's watching Miss Rachel. Okay, bye guys. Okay, so what turned into a Peter was cleaning his computer desk area has now turned into me rearranging the entire studio. So, yeah, Ellie was sleeping, she woke up, and we're still not done organizing. So, what I'm thinking about doing is sliding my desk over so that I can put this filing, thanks Ellie, so I can put this filing cabinet in this corner with my printer on top so that she can stop touching it and always turning it on and off. So I'm moving that over, putting my filing cabinet here with my printer on top. Then all of my plants can live in this corner because now that it's summertime, or it's about to be summer, all of the sun is coming this way, so they'll get the best light. So it'll be plants, my desk. I just scooched everything over just a couple of inches. And I think I'm gonna have a lot of space for that there. That is all we're doing, but somehow it manages to take us like a full hour or two just to do that because we're trying to dodge the little one. So I strapped her into her high chair and she had snacks and she dropped.
She has food and water.
She has food and water. So yeah. Guys, just jumping in here real quick to let you know that I have some really good content coming down the pike, so make sure that you hit the notification button so that you're alerted the next time I post a video, because the very next video after this is going to be discussing how I balance and manage my time between small business life, working full-time, being a mom and being a wife, and how do I give time to myself to just relax and do nothing. That's gonna be the very next video. After that, we're gonna be discussing how to get wholesale customers, because you guys are blowing up my DMs asking about those two things, about how do you manage everything that you do in your life, and how do you get wholesale customers? How do you get people to buy your products and put it in their boutiques, in their shops, on their online stores, anywhere. We're gonna talk all about that, and we have a bunch of good content coming up soon. So like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.